How to hide last seen on WhatsApp. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, this really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open WhatsApp on your mobile. As you open WhatsApp on your mobile, go to these three dots that are located up above. As you click on these three dots, go to the setting option. As you go to the settings option, go to the account option, which is the first option. Open the account option and then go to the privacy option. As you go to the privacy option, then there will be first option of last seen. Then click on last seen and then you can change whom you want to show your last seen. You can show your last seen to everyone, my contacts or nobody. This is how you can hide last seen on your WhatsApp. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, please put it down in the comment section.